Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what Hydroxycut is or Hardcore is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Hydroxycut website, Hydroxycut Hardcore is a thermogenic a weight loss supplement designed to support weight loss efforts by increasing the energy, mental focus, and calorie burning. The company says that it's combines a clinical researched green coffee extract called C, which is Caniphora robusta, with the 265 megagram of caffeine per serving, along with ingredients such as L-theanine, yohimbe, and cayenne pepper. According to the website, the green coffee extract has been studied alongside a reduced calorie diet, while the caffeine is included to help increase energy, focus, and thermogenesis. The company also recommends using the supplement together with a healthy diet and a regular exercise rather than relying on the supplement alone for weight loss. For purchasing, it's a good idea to carefully review the ingredients and lists basically and make sure that you're comfortable with the amount of caffeine and other stimulant ingredients, since the stimulant based supplements can affect people differently. So do your own research and remember that individuals' results may vary. According to the official direction, you will have to begin by assessing your tolerance, first of all. And on day one, you'll have to take only capsule once a day, so once daily. On day two and three, take two capsules once daily. Begin an example on day four, take two capsules twice daily. About 30 to 60 minutes before, two targets for two largest meals such as breakfast and lunch. Do not take, as an example, supplements within 5 hours of bedtime, and do not exceed 4 capsules in 24 hours period. The company recommends using the products for 60 days alongside a diet and exercise for best results. And if you decide to purchase the Hydroxycut Hardcore, you'll have to visit the official website and choose your preferred package, as an example, and continue to the secured checkout. For completing your purchase, make sure to verify or to review the pricing, shipping information, return policy, and any promotional offers so you understand exactly what you're buying. The official website states that the offer or they do offer some free shipping, as example orders offer or over $30, and they have a 30 days return policy. If you have any questions before purchasing, you can review the frequently asked question. You'll find this at the bottom. You'll find the frequently asked question page, not very at the bottom. You'll find it, as you can see right here. So as you can see how it works, what's inside. So those are the things that you may want to know the answer of. So these are the frequently asked questions exactly. And if you need more contact information, you may find, as you can see here, or you'll find the contact us page where you'll find where to contact them directly. As you can see, if you want an additional information that's not included in the frequently asked question page. Of course, as with any dietary supplements or weight loss products, it's important to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it, especially if you have a medical condition like pregnancy, nursing, sensitive to caffeine, or taking a prescription medication. Also, make sure to do your own research and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its ingredients. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.